Hello, I'm Anna Pepe, and for the past 5 years, art hasn't just been my passion, it's been my paycheck. I built this course with fire in my heart and 3 unshakable beliefs. First, to prove it's possible. When I started, I knew nothing about selling art. Nothing. I was afraid to call myself an artist, trembling before a blank canvas, and even emptier bank account. But through stubborn trial and error, I carved a path to becoming a full-time creator. If my hands could build this life, yours absolutely can too. Second, to remind you of your irreplaceable magic. The art world isn't waiting for another copy, it's starving for your vision. That signature style spark that bears your mark, that's exactly what collectors will fight to own. Third, to dismantle the fears whispering you're not ready. I know all of them. What if I fail? What if no one buys? Hear me clearly. These aren't warnings. They are growing pains. Every artist I admire faced them. Every single one. This course is your mapped expedition from where you stand now to the summit where your art pays your bills. Your style becomes your signature, and your uniqueness isn't just accepted, it's demanded. This path exists. I've walked it, and if I could do it, you can too.